Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 25 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 1.3, question number 1, fifth. X raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Solution. Let y is equal to x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. Taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log of this x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sine square 3x. And therefore log y is equal to log x raised to 5 plus log tan cube 4x minus log sine square 3x. And therefore now this you simplify, this is raised to, so bring here, so log y is equal to 5 log x plus 3 log tan 4x minus 2 log sine 3x. Differentiate with respect to x, 1 upon y dy dx, so derivative of log y, log 1 upon y dy dx is equal to 5 d dx log x plus 3 d dx log sine tan 4x minus 2 d dx log sine 3x. And therefore 1 upon y dy dx is equal to 5 upon x, derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So 5 upon x plus 3, derivative of log tan 4x is equal to 1 upon tan 4x, and derivative of tan 4x is equal to sec square 4x, and again you differentiate this 4x, so that is 4. Okay, so this is a composite. Try to understand. Minus 2, derivative of log sine 3x is equal to sine 3, 1 upon sine 3x, derivative of sine is equal to cos 3x, and derivative of 3x is equal to 3. Then this you simplify. And therefore 1 upon y dy dx is equal to 5 upon x plus 12 into 1 upon cos square 4x. This you simplify, so sec square become cos square 4x, and this is 1 upon tan means cot, so cos 4x upon sin 4x minus this is cot 3x. Okay, and now therefore 1 upon y dy dx is equal to 5 upon x plus 12 cos 4x into sin 4x minus 6 cot 3x. Simplify 5 upon x plus this I multiplied by and divide by 2, so 24 upon 2 cos 4x into sin 4x is equal to sin 8x minus 6 cot 3x, and therefore dy dx is equal to y, bring here x raised to 5 into tan cube 4x upon sin square 3x into this you write down 5 upon x plus 24, this sin 1 upon sin become cosec 8x minus 6 cot 3x. Okay, question number 6, x raised to tan inverse x. So solution, let y is equal to x raised to tan inverse x, taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log x raised to tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x into log x. And then this you simplify, differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon y dy dx is equal to derivative of this So d dx tan inverse log x. So that is tan inverse x d dx log x plus log x. Here I use u into v log x into derivative of tan inverse x. So 1 upon y dy dx is equal to tan inverse x upon derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So tan inverse x upon x plus log x and derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 plus x square. And therefore dy dx is equal to, this why you bring here x tan inverse x raised to tan inverse x into bracket, write down this differentiation tan inverse x upon x plus log x upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Question number 7. Sin x raised to x. Solution. Let y is equal to sin x raised to a, taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to x log sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon y dy dx is equal to d dx x into log sin x. Okay, is equal to u into v. So x derivative of log sin x plus log sin x into derivative of x. So this is equal to x upon sin x. Sin derivative of sin is cos upon cos x plus log sin x into 1. And then you simplify. Therefore dy dx is equal to y, that is sin inverse sin x raised to x into x upon, this is cot x plus log sin x. Okay. Question number 8. Sin x raised to x. So here this x is for this angle. Okay, not for ratio. Solution. Let y is equal to sin x raised to x, taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to log sin x raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon y dy dx is equal to d dx of log sin x raised to x. So derivative of log is equal to 1 upon x raised sin x raised to x and derivative of sin x raised to x. This you differentiate. So 1 upon y dy dx is equal to, this you write down as it is, 1 upon sin x raised to x, and this is cos x raised to x and derivative of x raised to x. Okay, suppose this is the statement number 1, because I have to differentiate this also by what, this method. Okay, let u is equal to x raised to x, taking log on both sides. Log u is equal to x into log x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon u du dx is equal to, here you use u into v, x d dx log x plus log x d dx x. So is equal to 1 upon u du dx is equal to x upon x plus log x, that is 1 plus log x, and therefore du dx is equal to x raised to x plus into 1 plus log x. Now this is statement number 2, this you substitute here. So therefore 1 upon y dy dx is equal to cot x raised to x into x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x, and therefore dy dx is equal to, this y you transfer on this side. So sin x raised to x into cot x raised to x into x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. So this you simplify. So this is what cot x means, cos upon sin. that get cancel, this sign is cancelled with this sign, so is equal to cos x raised to x raised to x into x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. Okay, so these are slightly complicated. Go through this example again and again so that you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.